In this video, I'll help you fix the limit exceeded issue on Western Union step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. To fix the limit exceeded error on Western Union, first open the Western Union app on your device and sign in to your account. This error occurs when the transfer amount exceeds the sending limits set by Western Union, which can vary depending on your account type, country, and payment method. Start by reviewing the amount you are trying to send and compare it to your current transfer limit. If your amount exceeds the limit, you have a few options to fix the issue. The easiest solution is to split your transfer into smaller amounts that fall within your allowed limit. For example, if you want to send $2,000 but your limit is $1,000, send two separate transfers of $1,000 each. Another option is to verify your account if you haven't already done so. Western Union often increases transfer limits once your identity and account details are fully verified. To do this, go to your account settings, select Verify Identity, and follow the steps to upload the required documents, such as a government-issued ID or proof of address. Once verified, your sending limit may be raised automatically. You can also contact Western Union customer support if you need to send a larger amount, and splitting the transfer isn't practical. Support can provide guidance on temporary or permanent limit increases based on your account history and verification status. Finally, double-check the payment method you are using. Some methods, like cash pickups or certain bank transfers, have stricter limits than others. Switching to a different payment method might allow you to send the full amount without hitting the limit. By following these steps, splitting transfers, verifying your account, contacting support, or changing your payment method, you can resolve the limit exceeded error and complete your transfer successfully. Always check your account limits before initiating a transfer to avoid delays or errors. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.